there are several artists who are extremely good, and certainly much better than I am. The history of Indian cinema will be written. It will always have before Dilip Kumar and after Dilip Kumar. Sometimes you also feel that you deserved to have got an award, but you didn't get it. Dilip Kumar couldn't get it for Ganga Jamna. Who the hell are you? Hi, this is Amitabh Bachchan, and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
Mr. Bachchan, your humility is famous. You tend to be very, very self-effacing. In fact, you've tweeted some time back that when that brilliant footballer from Brazil, Romario, was asked who's the best in the world he said Romario. When asked why he thought he was the best, he gave a classic reply: because I am Romario. Many people in the industry, in the Indian film industry, they would say that who is the best actor in the country ever? It has to be Amitabh Bachchan. But Amitabh Bachchan continues to be very, very self-effacing. Where does that come from, sir?
I don't believe that this is correct. I think that there are several artists who are extremely good, and certainly much better than I am. And they deserve all the recognition and the credit and all the applause. I genuinely think that there are many areas that I need to work on and need to improve. I'm very grateful that people think like that, but I'm afraid that's not correct.
Who do you think is the best actor ever in the Hindi film industry?
Well, to me, Dilip Saab,
Right.
Dilip Kumar, and I've never really looked beyond that because he's been my idol, and I've watched every one of his works, and I always feel that whenever the history of Indian cinema will be written, it will always have, before Dilip Kumar and after Dilip Kumar. That's almost like a yardstick. He's been phenomenal. My greatest regret, though, was that one of his films, which I thought was his best work and most brilliant, was Ganga Jamna.
Right. You did not get an
and he
award
never
for
got an award for that.
You said that as well before.
Many times.
Right.
Many a times, some of our artists, and sometimes you also feel that you deserved to have got an award, but you didn't get it, and then you console yourself by this fact that if Dilip Kumar couldn't get it for Ganga Jamna, who the hell are you?
You worked together with him in Shakti.
Yeah.
There were many confrontational scenes between the two of you, and it was said that both of you had wonderful moments, and it was difficult to decide as to who's better. How do you remember Shakti now, sir?
First of all, with a lot of disbelief, because somebody whom you've grown up watching and suddenly find yourself, in the same profession, in the same frame, in the same film is very frightening. For a very long time, it was obviously not believable that I was actually working with Dilip Saab. When you start evaluating the performance of an actor in a film, I feel that it's very important to evaluate the person that is standing in front of him. Right. Because if they are performing well, their good performance will reflect on you. I could be giving the most fantastic performance ever, but if my colleague, my partner, my co-artist is not responding to that, my performance will look weak. That is the greatness of Dilip Saab, irrespective of whether he has something to do in the frame or not. But if he's responding commensurate to your performance, then your performance comes out looking good. And that, in a sense, is good for the film because the entire scene works. He's very considerate. He's a very considerate co-artist. He's always conscious of the fact that the other artists require space and time. And I particularly remember when we were doing the death scene, my death scene in the film, I was preparing for it, and he just came up individually and said, I'll prepare with you. I said, no, Dilip Saab, let me do it on my own. He said, no, karo tum, main bhi saath mein. These are things that encourage a young artist at that point of time. For him to come and just assist you in your rehearsing is a great gesture. And then while we were rehearsing, there was some noise going on, there were unit people talking, and he just sort of snapped at them at that point. I said, can't you see that he's rehearsing? Can you please keep quiet? Now, this is something that should have come out from me, if I was getting disturbed, but coming out from him meant a lot because he realized that there is an importance that every actor goes through. He requires that little space and quietness of rehearsal. It shows his consideration for the other artist, and that's why he's such a legend.
मैं भी तुमसे मोहब्बत करता हूं तो कहा क्यों नहीं डैड?